Okay, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to yet our regular DMR, daily market review. What we do is that we actually look at what happened in the previous week and we project based on data and based on what was left on the table for us to anticipate the next upcoming week, days and events. So with the theme, we've been eating pretty good, pretty great. It has been 2 successful, profitable weeks so far. In April so far. So April and May. Yes, in May. We are currently in May, and so far 2 weeks has passed, and we only recorded, if not 0 to 1 loss. Yes. Let's look at yes, pretty great with the theme, as you can see. Anyway, what do we have going into next week? Let's update our calendar. Of course, there is nothing on Monday. Why? We have public holiday, bank holiday, on USD. On Monday, bank holiday on CAD, and nothing solid. We all have only yellow folders on Monday. Nothing for us on Monday. On Tuesday, CAD, big day for CAD, Canadian. So we're going to look at USD CAD and other Canadian crosses. On Wednesday, GBP CPI, early London. You guys can eat. Thursday, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay. We have flash services, but as far as I'm concerned, it's nothing. Retail sales on Friday for as well CAD. So we are going to have very, very good opportunities in all the Canadian peers, but we will only engage when we have to. If there is nothing presented to us, then it's a pass. Now, look at what happened on DXY the previous week. On previous week, almost we started where we started, we end up at that level. Okay, price opened in almost 1025, and currently the difference is pretty small, so there is no change. But I want to see more bullish move in the XY because of this cycle has been completed. So what I want to see is probably some clear and liquidity grabs, and then we continue to go higher until all these zones has been cleared, if not all or some of it. So we had this massive downfall. Open up the week, we have this move, and then we were back at where we started. And this what does this mean is that major peers, GBP/USD in particular, I always like to look at GBP/USD. Look at it right here, and gain back the strength, end up where it started. There is absolutely no change here. Where it started, it ended right at that level. So there is no any massive change for DXY for the previous week. But what I want to see now is some liquidity grabs and a powerful US dollar. Okay, and going into the next week, I'm going to be looking at majors. Now, what are these majors? Gold and Nasdaq, GBP USD, USD CAD. Then I'll take the crosses. Why? Fractional disparity. Okay? If you know the knowledge, you know what I mean. If you don't, then you have to do more digging. Okay? What pairs did we trade last week? We traded GBP CHF. This is the play zone. This is the lab. Okay? This is what we have done. We missed some setups. We traded some. Of course, this is our first trade. Second trade, I did not share it with anyone, and I also did not engage. This is the second trade, okay? Right here. Now, we engage. Okay, no. Until this trade on Wednesday, I did not trade this, but I watch it play out. Okay, I've not shared with nobody, and I always, watch a setup that is low probable, or I am willing to see what they are going to do there. But this setup is my age, something we work for. I share with the community right from it happens, and also this beautiful trade. We traded it live. This sell. Now, what happens to this? I not share this, but I personally took a low risk trade on this to take this this manipulation move to the high, so that we can anticipate this sell with so much energy. But unfortunately, we missed it. But it did not caught us by surprise. But yeah, we good. And last, but this is what I expect. Look at it. I expect this move to take out this high, even with pin, so that I can anticipate this sell. That is why you see me draw this like this. Okay. So, but this did not. It failed to take out this and continue to go lower. So that's our pair of business the previous week, and also GBPJPY was so nice. Okay, this is what has happened. We took out this trade. I did not take out this. I did not take out this, and this I did not take out. Why? Our psychological level is already exploited, so there is no trade left for me here. I don't want to see them exploit this level before my time, before our day. So, which is why I only got one trade, which is this. One trade on Monday, which is this. 85 pips, soft. This is it. So now, what do I want to see? I just explained the XY right here. Okay, probably some liquidity grabs or not, because look at this range high has been taken out. So I expect the XY to grab this. That's first scenario. Okay, second scenario is I can probably anticipate some kind of reset. Okay, some kind of reset. I want to see this high taken out, take out this high. Once this high is taken out, so I will anticipate this high as well to be taken out, so I have some resets. Why? There is more buys to come. Okay, or not? These are the two scenarios I'm looking out for on the XY. Okay, very easy, very clean. This is I love watching DXY, even though I engage on other pairs that are DXY related. Okay, but DXY give me the roadmap and clear actions, even though there is a mess. So I can be patient until this mess is cleared. I don't have a problem with that. And here we are. So now, what about gold? Well, gold, we all know that it's a crazy pair, but I want to see something crazy. That's where I am now. We had a beautiful market maker cycle coming out of last week, which is week 2, quarter 2, month 2. So we just come out of week 2. Now we are going to enter week 3. I'm repeating it. So we are going to enter week 3. Look at the beautiful cells that we have. Continuation and until the week ends. So what do I want to see now with gold? 2 scenarios, 2 possible moves I'm expecting. One is continuation buys, regardless. Continuation buys. We have a beautiful happy Batman here. So probably this will be the low. Draw all liquidity. We will see how they react to this zone. If they test it, we can let's see, something like this. That's our first POI, here or here. Okay, if not, we should anticipate some kind of reset as well, looking at higher time frame. Now, excuse me, look at here. Very good, very well. Looking at higher time frames, we can anticipate this high and this zone, this mess right here, to be mitigated, and boom, take me to the next low. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, yes, exactly. On a daily time frame, looking like there is more buys, but no, I'm no longer interested because this has been broken. This has been broken. Now I want to see this broken, then this, and until where the money ends. Okay, so now our sell scenario is even more powerful. So probably I would love to see some liquidity grab right here. Liquidity grab right here, and see how the week unfolds. Okay, this is gold for you. So now I don't want to look at USD card very quickly. I would love to see what Monday has for us. I will share with the community, and GBP USD as well. These 2 pairs, they will be on my list this coming week, and I've already shared. Now, okay, let me write it for you. Now, what does this means to us? Okay, it means if we are going to take out this high and drop, then all pairs with USD like this, okay, something like this. If we are going to anticipate something like this, okay, that means we are going to see weak dollar grab this high and grab this low. So at first we are going to look at USD to what? This is going to weaken, but this is going to go strong. Any pair that starts with this is going to go strong, and any pair that starts with USD and ends with anything, then you expect that pair to go low, to go short. Okay, this is what I'm looking for in this scenario. Now, what about this scenario? What about, this is for the sell scenario, okay? So what about the buy scenario? If we are going to have a reset is not something that you should be anticipating. You have to anticipate it after it happens. There is levels to this game. There is levels to this business. At first, you are not the master until you only take advantage until it happens. Then you take advantage, okay? But as time goes on, you will get the exposure to understand if the market makers are going to form a reset. If the reset is coming, then you anticipate it. Now, if I'm anticipating a high scenario, for example, after this breakout, I'm going to have this as my level, okay? I'm going to have this as another level, okay? So I want to see price go. I love to be using the colors. Okay, I love to see price do this. And do this. So for this kind of scenario, I don't want to be seeing this to be broken. The lows. I don't want to be seeing the lows to be broken. Yes. So this will give us the confirmation to keep on going higher. Okay. I don't want to be seeing the lows to be broken. Yeah, right. So in this scenario, what do I expect? I expect any pair like this, okay, should what? Should go sell. Okay, let me draw it here. Should go sell in line with the XY. And any pair with this kind of situation, I want to see it go buy. So you don't have any cheat code that pass this. And if you are a major pair trader, you don't have scenarios that pass these two. But I am more in this, anticipating the resets. I have to anticipate it. I have to see something. We have to see what they have installed for us. Okay. So regardless, if you want daily update, okay, this is weekly DMR I'm posting here. But if you want a daily update, what they have done and where they are going, you have to be in my Telegram. Okay, you have to follow me on X and be in my Telegram, so that anything I see happens, I'll update you ASAP, and we can take advantage ASAP. So it will not cost us more time to record, to upload, and wait. So once we have any update, we normally drop it there. The link is now on my bio, and you can follow me on X. We always have some cool giveaways. Tons of knowledge, tons of value is shared. Free giveaways, weekly, daily, we have it there. So you guys need to stay in touch so we can look at GBP USD together, USD card, GBP card, Euro card. That's for the bigger events. And also we'll be looking at NASDAQ, SPUs, and gold. This is so beautiful. The accuracy is crazy. We already have it here in my Telegram. So far we have 1 month, 2 weeks in profits. This is it. You can see. Look at how we take it. You can see it right here. Now, look at how we drop the projections way before it happens. Look at it. You see? Beautiful trades. So, our recording today is a bit longer, and I'm going to call it a day right here. Regardless, if we have more updates, I'm going to keep you guys posted. So cheers guys, and wish you all a fantastic, profitable week ahead. Bye bye.